The soap is very hot after microwaving. Let the soap cool before touching it. And kids, get your parents' permission before microwaving any soap. Soap can be bought for 30 cents to $1 a bar. The Dove was the most expensive. For this experiment, bars of soap, a microwave, and a microwave-safe plate are needed. If the soap is not left to cool in the microwave, then oven mitts are also needed. This microwave is 1000 watts. Each bar is placed on the plate individually and microwaved for 3 minutes. The plate is cleaned and dried for each bar. The bars of soap are Irish Spring, Coast, Zest, Lever 2000, Dove 1/4 Moisturizing, Dial, and Ivory. First, the Irish Spring. The Irish Spring comes out steaming and must be cooled. And the whole thing is stuck together. Next is Coast. This is super hot, so be extra careful. The interior of the soap liquefied. The outside turned soft and could not hold the pressure. The liquid inside exited out the weakest point, and it looks like the soap vomited. Here is Zest. It looks more expanded than runny. Now Lever 2000. Lever 2000 must have air packets. Charles' law can describe what happened with this soap. Charles' law is as follows. The volume of the gas increases or decreases by the same factor as its temperature. Volume is proportional to temperature. Basically, the air expanded, making larger air pockets. The soap also softens, allowing the soap to easily expand. Next is Dove. Basically, it just flattened out and some is still boiling. This is going to be difficult to get this off the plate. Here is Dial. The bar just expanded. Even the dial stamp is still intact. It kind of feels like it's a small loaf of bread. Finally is Ivory. When ivory soap is made, air is whipped into the soap. Charles' law is apparent with ivory soap. To recap, this is Irish Spring, Coast, Zest, Lever 2000, Dove 1/4 moisturizing after being scraped off the plate, Dial, and Ivory. Which soap is best to microwave? You decide.